Right, just wanted you guys to check out. Oh shit! Check out my 212 Predator mini bike. Added an LED light. I just actually installed this right now. I think I paid like $9 for the light switch on eBay or Amazon. One of the two. I'll add the I'll add it in the description. Um, I actually welded the battery box back there. I gotta clean it up. Still looks crazy, but it'll do the job for now. I'm using this welder from Harbor Freight. It was like $100 on sale, and it works pretty good. It's my first time welding, so I'm pretty sure y'all can do it too. We only upgraded the carb air filter. I'm thinking to upgrade the spark plug. I still have to do the exhaust, but it hits like 45. I'll put that light in the description too.